Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to go over the steps what you need to do in order to use your Cash App cash card at an ATM to make a withdrawal. So if you have money on your Cash App, you want to go to the ATM, get cash out with your Cash App cash card. We're going to go through those steps. So first off, guys, I want to let you know this is going to be a short video. This is actually a really easy process to get money off your Cash App cash card at an ATM. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App right now. It's this green and white app right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen, and here on the home screen, you're going to see how much of a balance you have on your Cash App right here on the bottom left. So you can see I have $50. And this video is assuming that you've already ordered your Cash App cash card and received it. If you don't have one of these yet, check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to my other video that describes step-by-step how to order a Cash App cash card. So if you're like me and you have a Cash App cash card already and you have money in your Cash App and you want to withdraw it at the ATM, it's pretty easy. First, what you're going to do is go ahead and set up your PIN number for your Cash App cash card, and you handle that all through the app right here on this little icon on the bottom left. It looks like a little credit card. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're in here, then you want to make sure that your Cash App cash card is activated and ready to be used at the ATM. So I usually have mine frozen. That way, if I happen to lose it, no one can actually just go through and start using it immediately. I'll need to physically activate it. So this one, I'm going to show you, just click on it. I'm going to click on it now. All right, once you click there, then you want to go ahead and choose Enable Cash Card. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, now Cash App is asking me to use my thumbprint to verify my identity. I'm going to do that now. All right, next, now that the card has been activated, you want to go ahead and make sure you have the PIN number before you go to the ATM to make a withdrawal with your Cash App cash card. Just click on the profile icon right here on the top right. It looks like a little person. It might be your picture if you added one. I didn't. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and click there. All right, once you click there, then you want to go ahead and click on this section right here called Privacy and Security. I'm going to click there now. Once you click there, then you'll want to go ahead and set up your PIN number. I've already set mine up, so I'm not going to mess with it. But if you want to change your PIN number before you go to the ATM to make a withdrawal with your Cash App cash card, you can click right here and then just follow the prompts. If you can't remember your PIN number, go ahead and reset it. Just follow the prompts. You may need to go onto the website, not the app, in order to update your PIN number. So there you have it. Once you have activated your Cash App cash card and you've also set up a PIN number, you're ready to go to the ATM. And basically what you do is just go to any ATM that accepts Visa debit card, which is most ATMs. Now keep in mind the ATM is going to charge you a fee to be able to use that ATM. Also, Cash App charges you a fee to use the ATM as well. However, if you want free ATM access, be sure to check my video description. I did a video that shows you how to get free ATM access with your Cash App cash card. But once you've got to the ATM, what you want to do is go ahead and just insert the card like you normally would with any Visa debit card. You'll need to enter your PIN number. Once you set up your PIN number, then it's going to ask checking or savings. Now, the thing is, I messaged Cash App and they said that you can use either one, checking or savings, because there's only one type of account with Cash App cash card, so it would go through either way. So again, it doesn't really matter. You can use checking or savings at the ATM when it prompts you. That's your choice. Either one should work fine. Once you've done that, then you can go and choose how much cash you're going to pull out from your Cash App cash card during this withdrawal. And that's it. Those are the only steps necessary in order to use your Cash App cash card for an ATM withdrawal. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And if I missed something, be sure to leave a comment below. I try to answer questions whenever I get a chance. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.